Number 4. All right, problem number 4. We're looking at y equals 3 to the power of x plus 1. And so remember, if we're adding 1, we're actually translating that our answer up 1 unit. And so I can look at this and I know red's not it, okay? Green's not it, and off the bat, I already can figure out what our answer is. It has to be blue because that's the only one being translated up 1 unit, where pink is staying the same, or pink. Green's being translated down 1 unit, and then our red is actually not even a correct option because this would be a fraction, not a whole number. So therefore, I know it's going to be blue, but let's go through this just to make sure it is. And so let's say we plug in -2 for x. 3 to the -2 is actually going to change that into a fraction. And so now we're looking at, excuse me, sorry. We're now going to be looking at 1/9. And then we're going to add 1 to that. And so in reality, we're actually looking at 1/9. And so we can go ahead and plot that. We bring this down. When x is -2, y is 1 1/9. So it's going to be something, you shift, I would say something like that. Okay. And then we're now looking at when x is -1. 3 to the -1 is actually going to flip that 3 to the bottom of your fraction. So now we're looking at 1, 3 to the 1. And then we add 1, so we're actually looking at 1 1/3. We can grab this point. When x is -1, y is about 1 1/3. So I'm going to put it just below our line here when y would be 2. Now we're looking at when x is 0. 3 to the 0 is automatically 1. Well, 1 plus 1 is 2. So when x is 0, y is 2. You shift to get that a little bit centered. You got it right there. We can do it 1 when 3 to the power of 1 is just 3 plus 1 is 4. So grab your point. When x is 1, y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you shift to get a little bit more centered. There you are. And then when x is 2, so 3 to the power of 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Grab our point. When x is 2, 1, 2, y is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you got your point. You shift to get it a little bit more centered. And there you are. And so we can double check to make sure that it is in fact this blue. So we can drag over our blue, get it centered in that box. And yeah, I would, oh, I'm a little bit off from my box. Maybe that's why. Yeah, there we are. I know it's a little bit off. That's because these boxes are a little wonky, but it's pretty similar. So therefore our answer is in fact that blue. I mean, we can even check. Watch, y'all. I can bring over this pink here. And it's completely off. So there's no way it's that pink. And so our y-intercept is going to end up being 2 this time, but our domain is going to stay the same. It's -infinity and infinity. But our range is going to change up a little bit this time. It is end up going to be 1 infinity because it's never going to cross the 1 when the x-axis of 1 now. All right, there's number 4. Let me know if you have any questions.